have some new marathoners?
On those trails.
Fantastic. So anytime after a workout, you want to have your PFFs, your lean proteins, high fiber foods, and healthy fats. So I'm going to start with some antioxidant berries. You got vegan protein powder.
Oh.
Thank you. You're welcome. Fiber boost for your PFFs, your healthy fiber. You could add almond butter if you wanted to for flavor and extra protein, but I'm not going to. Just going to add some purified water and blend. It's that simple. And that's it. Oh. Perfect snack post-workout. And yummy.
Nice.
And even if it's a smoothie or anything that you're cooking, a colorful plate, a colorful smoothie is a healthy smoothie. Here we go. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Awesome.